You can detain anybody without reason.
Show your name. Show your name. What is your name?
No, why? What is the crime? You first explain.
What
No?
is your name?
What is the problem?
Explain it,
No,
okay.
first, no.
I will explain. Will you tell me? What?
Don't mind handling.
What? I am not offended.
मास्क काढा त्याचे मास्क काढा
Of poster, चिल्लो, placard, त्याका डिटेन केलेलं असं पणजी पोलीस हे तुमका दिसता लाईव्ह. किती करतात रे? थोडं
साडी राव म्हणजे कशी वाटी माशी
Not only Umar Khalid, even Shajil Imam is our brother. And every person who has been detained by this unjust government is our brother. So we are not at all ashamed to say, free Umar Khalid. We are not at all ashamed. We are not at all afraid.
And
This is dictatorship. This is fascism. And it is going to end one day.
we were not given any reasons as to why they had to detain Danish brother without any reason just for carrying a poster. And if there is a provision for that, just show us the provision before you detain anybody. It cannot be this arbitrary just because somebody
I asked the PI what is the crime he committed. And he had no answer.
And
This
please,
is very high-handed, very arbitrary.
This is fascism.
and,
This is
and
fascism.
please, tomorrow this can happen to anybody. If any of us can be detained for just carrying a placard for what we want to say and without any reason taken like this, we don't know if he's getting beaten up or what. We can't allow that to happen.
I say in front of 20 cameras here, free Sharjil Imam, free Umar Khalid, free every single human citizen who has been declared a criminal without a trial. Under trials are not criminals. Read your constitution first. Read your constitution first. Under trials are not criminals. We have got full right to demand each and every prisoner's release. And we are still standing on that. And we are not taking our words back. We are not taking our posters back. We are not begging behind this government. We are not bowing down to this government.
Release
Got it?
Danish!
Release Danish!
Release Danish!
Release Danish!
Let him go!
We want justice.
We want justice!
Release Danish.
Release Danish!
We want justice.
We want justice!
Release Danish.
Release Danish!
We want justice.
We want justice!